Just a couple of little changes I want to make now before we start adding lighter materials. I'm going to come into the high attribute transfer here of the chocolate and just drop this down. It's 0.1, just bring it in a bit tighter there. And then lower the kind of magnitude of it again quite a bit. It's going to go down tenfold. There we go. So it's really just almost nothing. Cool. So let's go ahead and start building our materials. We head into matte, and I'm going to drop an old material builder. Oops. Let's go back out. Yeah, we'll go inside and drop a standard surface. There we go. Open that out and connect up the shader, and head back out, and let's make, so we need one for the yogurt, one for the blueberries, another one for, we got two different types of blueberry, A and B, and then one for the chocolate. So let's name them. Got yogurt, blueberry A, blueberry B, and chocolate. Okay, so let's head inside. Just give it, I'm just going to give it some quick materials for now. For the yogurt, well, I think there is a default. Yeah, we can just drop this milk down for that. Blueberry A, I'm just going to drop some colors just so we can see that it's actually working. Blueberry B, different color. This one. And for the chocolate, try and find some kind of brown. There we go, something like that. Great. And now to assign them, we'll head into the back into our network. Find a material node. Oops. Not material network, a material node. Take that, drop it just after the color for the yogurt, and then go ahead and find our yogurts. There we go. I'm going to drop a normal node here as well, as we've been displacing the geometry. Be a good idea to drop one here. There we go. You can see that clean up there. Another material node here. So here for blueberry A, we'll connect it with blueberry A. Make another one, another tab of blueberry B. Blueberry B. We'll connect up some specific textures for these later on, not right now. And then finally for the chocolate, we could do, I think this should work if we put exclamation mark and then for all blueberry groups. So this means when we take an exclamation mark, it means not blueberry something. So the only thing which is not blueberry is the chocolate. Because we don't have a specific group for the chocolate, we could create one or just do it this way. It should work. Cool. Let's get a light in here. Arnold light. There we go. So we're seeing something already. We need to go into out. Let's just get some kind of render going. Arnold, there we go. Cam 1 is what we've already got. Cam 1. And it should be good to go. Candidate objects, we don't need to change anything there. Let's head into the render view. Click render and see what we get. Looks like the light is too dim here. I'm just going to stop that. We go back into our view. Oh, look, the light is inside the blueberry, so we should probably move that. Let's just take the gizmo there to move it up. This won't be our final light. It's just to, so we can see something. Let's head back here, render that. I just want to see the colors that we have different colors on everything to make sure everything is assigned correctly. There we go. Look at that, beautiful. So we got our milk material, or in our case we're going to make yogurt. We got blueberries, 2 different colors, and we got the brown color on the chocolate.